ELAT's contact page. So we have an ELAT contact us page as a title. Time being, I'm saving it under the same website. Okay, now I will put the page, save it. Right, in this page, let's insert a map. Either you can go into the inserts menu and select the commons panel, or you can simply highlight the image from the folder and drag and drop it in your file. Same process. Okay, alternate text, that map. That's the map. I'll just literally created something to show you. Now in this map, you can see the highlighted circle, which is the location of ELAT, Dawson Kingsland Road, and that's the highlighting of the overground station for Haggerston. So when you have some images like this, it's not possible for you to hyperlink these connected parts to the specific web page of your website. Okay, max to max, what you can do is you can click on the image, and through the link you can add the link to the whole image, but that is not going to serve your purpose. So that's what hotspots are. You actually do the slice. You actually create some hotspot regions, or we call image maps as well. So we actually create the map regions within the image, and we connect those regions with any hyperlink. Okay, any external third-party website or HTML page within your website, that doesn't matter, because it just gives a feature to link pages. Now there are different shapes in which you can create hotspots. So I'm going to show you now how we can add the hotspots on top of this image and individually link them to those particular pages. So the first step is make sure you click on the image in design view, and if you check the properties panel, in the properties panel there's a section for map. Okay, now there are three shapes it will show you: a rectangular hotspot, oval hotspot, and polygonal shape. So you can either do circular or rectangular shapes, or polygonal means any abstract hotspot you can create using the shape. Once we do that, we'll get the other options to actually do the linking as well. Right now I will create two hotspots, one using the oval tool for circular and rectangular hotspot for actually the Haggerston station map. Okay, so once the image is selected, all you do is pick the tool, go onto the shape of the image and drag your mouse like that. It will give you a warning: please describe the alternate text in the properties, which is here, for this particular hotspot. So you just say okay. Good reviewer reminds you of this. Now here, the moment you draw the map, you will see in the properties inspector it gives you three options. It gives you option to add a link, specify the link's target, and add alternate text. Ideally it should give all. So maybe for ELAT hotspot, if it is not aligned properly, I can hold on this pointer tool, which is a black pointer hotspot tool, and I can simply move my hotspot wherever I want. When you click on it, you see those four little squares on edge. You can actually hold on them by using a pointer and expand and change the shape of your maps from any side. And you can drag it and keep it like this. Okay. Now you can select the rectangular hotspot tool. You can draw the rectangular hotspot on it. A bit of information, just say okay. But this way now, using pointer, I can see we've got two different hotspots. Individually we can pick them and we can give their properties. So for circular hotspot, I'll put them to elat.org website, target underscore blank, ALT, visit elat website. Done. Select the rectangle hotspot, http tfl.gov.uk, target blank, visit TFL for travel updates. So we've got two hotspot regions. The information, all we have to do now is save, preview the page, and you can see on mouse over, that region becomes hyperlink. Rest of the image stays as just image. Okay, and the hotspot becomes your hyperlink. It shows the ALT as an image hint as well. But I think this yellow label of ALT only appears in Explorer. I'm not sure whether Firefox and Chrome have them updated to reflect ALT like that. Okay, normally if you want it guaranteed, you should apply title as well, because other browsers will show this label when there's a title to your link. But anyways, it's there for accessibility for both. When you click, it will actually go to those websites. So it is going to the TFL, and ELAT's going to the ELAT's website. Interesting bit for creating image hotspot. Let me stop the recording.